Today, we're talking about the Ottocast Play2Video Pro. Now, what this device does is it takes your vehicle that's only compatible with wired CarPlay or Android Auto and turns the system seamlessly wireless. Not only does it does that, but it also has another feature. It comes preloaded with certain apps, Spotify, YouTube, Netflix, and a couple others, and your Ottocast will be able to allow you to stream your Netflix or your YouTube directly on to your vehicle's display seamlessly and flawlessly, doesn't lag or anything. Really, really cool, really great function. Now, your Ottocast is going to work on any vehicle that's 2017 or above, and it's compatible with wired Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. I have here a 2023 Honda Pilot, and it fits all that criteria. It's a great vehicle, but I only have the wired CarPlay, which is just an absolute pain in the butt. So now with my Ottocast, anytime I get near my car, my phone instantly hooks up. Now I'm streaming my maps, I'm streaming my Spotify, I could watch YouTube, I could watch Netflix on a road trip. It's absolutely great what this Ottocast theme does. And another hidden feature, I have an Android, my wife prefers Apple. We can seamlessly transfer over our devices. So say I'm listening to some music on my phone, she doesn't like it and I'm driving and she's the passenger, she could jump on her phone, switch everything over seamlessly, and bam! Now instead of listening to our Android Auto, we're listening to Apple CarPlay. So enough talking about the Ottocast. I'm going to jump inside my Honda here and show you what this baby's actually capable of. All right, everybody, so we're back here in my Honda. I have my Ottocast all set up here. It's already hooked up to my phone. I'm going to zoom in right here on my interface. That way you can kind of see what's going on here. All right, so on the interface here, we got all of our music that's being played. Got the music being played right there through that app. You also have the Spotify app. You have Netflix, YouTube, YouTube Music, and IPTV. If you don't know what IPTV is, that is an app that has several different live music. It's going to have several different pay-per-views, all different kinds of channels. IPTV is an absolutely lovely app. So all these apps you're just going to have to sign into, and then you can use them pretty frequently. You also have Bluetooth call, Bluetooth music. Spotify is going to be directly hinged. You could pick this up, and it's going to show you every app that's on here. That way you can pick it up whichever way you want to go individually. So, I mean, zoom back out a little bit. So, I mean, overall, the Ottocast is a really cool device. It's going to do a whole bunch of functionality. The autoplay pretty much turned my regular wired interface into this really cool, fully usable display that I could also play video from. It's compatible for both Android and iPhone, so it's going to work for anybody and everything you need it to. And the installation process was super easy. It connects to your Wi-Fi, so if your vehicle has Wi-Fi or you want to run the hotspot off your car, everything is pretty much included in the all-in-one multimedia adapter from Ottocast. And my favorite feature is now I'm used to coming in every day, plugging my phone into my computer, into my car to make it work. I don't have to do that anymore. Thanks to Ottocast, as soon as I leave my door in my garage, my phone's already connecting most of the time. It's pretty insane just how fast and accurate this thing is, and also how far it actually connects. Like I said, I'll be inside my house connecting the thing, so it's very impressive. But that's the Ottocast for everybody. The Play2Video Pro, awesome. I give it 5 out of 5 stars all day long. This is going to be a great accessory to my car. In fact, it's probably never going to leave my car. Thank you for your time.